Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the cleaning routine that I do when I am expecting guests. So this weekend I have family coming in from out of state, kind of a last minute thing, but it's pretty exciting. So I'm going to show you what things I do around my house to make it clean and presentable and ready for any kind of company coming in. So I hope you enjoy. The first thing I do when I am preparing for guests is to really make sure to clean my baseboards. So I take my broom and I just pretty much brush them off really good, and then I will follow that with the vacuum, and then I will mop. The next thing I do is dust the blinds on all the windows in the main rooms. So in the living room, kitchen, and dining room.
The extent of your bad deeds, and there's a time to cry, a time to let it go.
Next, I'm going to be cleaning those same windows with the Sprayaway glass cleaner. I actually finished up this bottle today, so I will probably not be repurchasing this due to me enjoying the Method glass cleaner. Go through my house and dust all of my furniture just with the little duster, and I go through the whole house and do all of the furniture, just a quick little brush.
Running backwards, speaking odd words, won't amount to much. The brightest
to cleaning the bathrooms. I clean both bathrooms in my house before I have guests come over, and in this clip I am using the same Sprayaway glass cleaner. Again, I finish it, so this was the last time you will probably see that product on my channel. Method AntiBac bathroom cleaner. I am almost done with this bottle, and this is a good product. It cleans very well, but I just do not like the smell. Ultra strength blue fiber wet wipes to clean my toilet with. I use these to clean the toilet bowl on the outside of the toilet, and then I will show you a little bit later on that I am using the Clorox toilet wands. If you have not tried those, I highly recommend them. They're super easy to clean, and they're just better to have around the house than a regular toilet brush. Especially with me having a toddler, I can disinfect the toilet wand after I'm done using it, and that way there are no germs just laying around on a brush in the bathroom.
Nobody can bring us down, but I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back.
Coming to to an end, and I hope that you enjoyed all of these things that I do to prepare for guests. This is not obviously the only things I do. I do add these to my daily cleaning routine in order to prepare for guests. So I hope that you did find this helpful and maybe help you get inspired to clean a little bit. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I would love it for you to stick around on my channel and subscribe. So we'll see you in the next video.